Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Sussie the Magpie from K-pop Demon Hunters. So first we're going to get started with the hat, and we're going to start on the left hand side, curving this around and then down on the right. We're going to start on the top from that corner, drawing in another curved line, bringing this all the way through and then back down on the right, just connecting that. Now on the top on the left, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up towards the top, stepping over on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a slight curved line to close off the top of the hat. Dropping down, let's replicate that again. Now let's come down and draw in the head. So right on the top here on the right, we're going to curve this down. We're going to draw in the beak. So we're going to start further over towards the left, curving this around and through. Let's start on the left-hand side, curving this line down, around, and then we're going to bring this all the way over and in towards the point of the beak, connecting that together. Over on the bottom now, let's curve this line across to close that off. And now let's draw on the back of the head. So starting on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this out, down, and over on the side. Let's close off the hat now on the top. So over on the left-hand side, to close off the hat, we're going to bring that line in. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Let's draw in our eyes now. So starting on the top, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then moving inside of that, we're just going to draw in another circle. And we're just going to color that in black. Again, let's move down now, drawing in another circle right in the center, just making this one slightly smaller. And then in the middle, drawing in another circle. Again, just coloring that in black. Let's move down one more time on a diagonal, making this circle even smaller. Right in the center, another circle. And then again, just color that in black. Let's draw in the wing on this side now. So starting from this line here, we're going to curve this line around. And we're going to bring this all the way out towards the left-hand side of our page. And then we're going to start from this point, bringing this up and all the way through, connecting that together. Now closing off the rest of the wing, as we move up towards the top, we're just going to curve this line around and through on the side. Now in the middle, let's draw in a curved line that arches over towards the top. Moving up, let's replicate that, bringing that further across. And then we'll do the same thing as we step down on the bottom, arching this over. Now on the top, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. Moving over towards the middle, let's draw in another oval. And then again, one last time in the center, drawing in our last oval. Let's close off the rest of the body. So moving underneath the beak, following this line, we're going to curve this down, out, and through towards the middle. We're going to continue to swoop this down towards the left. We're going to leave a small gap, stepping up slightly, curving this across. Let's close off the leg, so we're going to arch this down and through towards the corner. And then starting on the left-hand side, again, just arching this around and back up, following the shape on the right. Now from here, let's curve this back up, closing off the rest of the body. Moving over towards the top now, let's arch this line across and through towards the right. Let's draw in 4 circles as we come across. So starting on the left, let's draw in our first circle. Let's move across again, drawing in another circle. To the right of that. And then one last time, just drawing in our last circle. Now let's close off the rest of the leg. So we'll start on the right-hand side with a slight diagonal line coming out and then in. Moving up, let's follow that, bringing that out, and then back down, ending that at the same height. We're going to curve this out and through from that point, curving that back in. Moving across again, we're going to curve that out and back in. And then one more time, curving this across and all the way through towards the top there. Now let's move over on the left. We're going to bring this line out and then down. And then on the side, bringing this out and then back down again. Let's close off the foot, curving this over and through. Now from this point, arching that back in. Again, let's bring this line across and then through towards the middle. And then one last time, bringing this through and over, connecting that together. Lastly, let's just draw in our tail. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, bringing this line out. We're going to curve that back around, bringing it up towards the back. We're going to drop below that, curving this around and in again. Let's move in towards the center now, curving this over and through towards the wing. And that is it. That's how you draw Sussie the Magpie from K-pop Demon Hunters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.